all, welcome back. So welcome to the 18th question of exercise 5.3. Before this, if you haven't seen the previous videos or you haven't seen the introductory videos, please see them. I'll give the link in the description and later come back for a better understanding. So let's move on to this question now. So they have mentioned a spiral is made up of consecutive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 and 2 as shown in the figure. Okay, so the figure is like this. You must have seen a spiral. So that spiral started with this point. Okay, now this. Okay, so what they're saying is that there is a spiral, okay, which has consecutive semicircles. Where is the semicircle? So let's say A is the starting point, okay. So from A till C, let's say this point is C. You can see one semicircle, right? Now C to B, if you see the radius has changed. So this is second, okay. After this from B, now it is mentioning it is alternating, okay. So for this one, this was the semicircle, now this was the, now let's say B is the center, okay. Now B is the starting point, so not center, is the starting point. So from B, now this point is C, okay. This is the third semicircle. Now it is alternating, okay. This was B, now this has become A, okay. Now A to this is B now, or you can say B was this already C, okay. So A to C is now fourth semicircle, okay. So if you see, there are so many rounds, but for every half of the circle the radius is changing, okay. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one, and so on, okay. So what is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Okay. So here what they're asking is, what is, let's say this keep on going like 13 semicircles. For example, this picture is going till fifth semicircle, alright. In the same way it is going till 13. Then we have to find out what will be the length of this spiral, okay. What will be the length for, let's talk about only this one, given one. So it is this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, okay. So what is 1 here? In detail we will see. So 1 is what? Half of a circle, and the initial radius is almost 0.5 cm. See, 0.5 cm. So this is like, what is the formula of a circle, of the circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. Also they have mentioned pi equal to 22 by 7. Alright. So 2 pi r. So what will be the circumference of semicircle? 2 pi r by 2. Okay. Which is pi r. Okay. Now we will see what we have to find out. Total length of spiral equal to, it will be 1 The length of 1. What will be 1? Pi. What is the radius? Radius, first radius. Let's say radius 1 is R1. Okay, but the first radius is 0.5 cm. Okay, plus. Now, second one is what? Second radius is what? 1 centimeter. It is double of the first one. Okay, so this total is 1 centimeter. Okay, so for this circle it will be pi r. So pi plus what is r? 1 centimeter. Okay, plus what will be the third? Pi. Okay, let me write a little here. Plus pi. What is the third one? 1.5. 1.5 centimeter. Okay, like that we are summing up to 13th. Okay, so pi r 13th. We don't know the r 13th. We are just mentioning r 13. Okay, so we have to find this sum. All right, we can take pi in common. Correct. So it will be 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus 2 plus r 13. Okay, now we will see how can we find the sum of this one. Okay, so we already know the formula how we can apply when it is an AP. We'll just see if this is forming an AP. Okay, if this is forming an AP, we can directly use this formula. All right, so what is the increment here? 0.5 plus 0.5 will be 1. 1 plus 0.5, 1.5. 1.5 plus 0.5, 2.0. So we see that, yeah, the D is 0.5 centimeter and this forms an AP. Alright, when it forms an AP, how can we solve it? If we don't know the last term, we can use this one. Alright, so pi, we will use this formula now. Okay, so n by 2. What is n by 2 now? N is what here? 13. Okay, 13 terms we have in this AP. 13 by 2, 2a. What is a here? 0.5, the first term, plus n minus 1. N is what? 13. 13 minus 1, 12. D. D is what? 0.5. Okay, can we solve this? Pi 13 by 2 alright, it will be pi 13 into 7 by 2. Okay, let's expand pi since they have given the value of pi. It will be 22 by 7 into 13 into 7 by 2. Okay, 7, 2. So, what will be the total value will be 11 into 13. Alright. Okay, so this will be 130 plus, see I break it always, 13, which will be 143. Okay, total length of spiral is 143 centimeter. Okay, so total length of the spiral is 143 centimeter. I hope you understood this question. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if there is anything which you want to understand more or if you have any queries, Please let me know in comments. Thank you.